Unlock your ultimate creative potential and elevate your photo editing to professional heights by mastering Adobe Lightroom's complete features. This tutorial will guide you through the precise steps to obtain and activate the full, unrestricted version of Lightroom, ensuring you have access to every advanced editing tool. First, navigate to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. Look for the Photography Plan or All Apps options, as these typically include Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC. Carefully review the various subscription plans offered by Adobe. The Photography Plan is often the most suitable and cost-effective option for dedicated Lightroom users. Proceed to create an Adobe ID if you don't already have one, or simply log into your existing account. This step is crucial for managing your subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase of your chosen plan. Ensure all payment details are accurate to avoid any interruptions. Once your subscription is active, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. You'll find both Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC available for download within the app section. Click the Install or Download button next to the Lightroom version you prefer, typically Lightroom Classic for advanced desktop editing. Wait for the installation to complete. Upon launching Lightroom for the first time, you may be prompted to sign in with your Adobe ID. Enter your credentials to activate the full version. Congratulations, you now have access to the full, unrestricted version of Adobe Lightroom, ready to unleash your full creative potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips.